In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook group private. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up the Facebook app and then scroll down and hit on this little menu tab right here to open up a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do is just scroll down to see this little group tab right here, open it up, and then specifically choose your groups right here. Select the group that you want to go ahead and change and switch to that page. And from here, select the group that you want to go ahead and change. And for example, it's going to look something like this. Essentially, go ahead and choose manage group and go to the group settings and then just change the privacy option from public to private and then tap continue. Facebook is going to explain what changes when you switch your group to private. Just simply tap next and then hit change privacy. And just keep in mind, Facebook usually makes you wait before the privacy change fully does take effect. It may display something like 3 days until your privacy becomes private. So just come back later and it's going to update automatically. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.